Hello guys! Welcome to the Events Republic channel and Event Corancho is back! Ayun na nga, so the last time we had a video is we're telling na magkakaroon na kami ng kiddie party packages. Medyo na-delay lang siya ng konti for some reason dahil ang dami nga ng mga bookings. Wow, ang daming bookings no, sana all. So medyo marami nga yung bookings that we had for the past months. Pero this time, naku grabe, super excited na ako dahil nakaipon na ako ng mga partners for my kiddie party packages. To give you a bit of a context lang, kung ano yung pinaghuhugutan namin kung bakit we decided to really focus on kiddie party packages. Yun nga, we've been in the industry handling socials and corporate events like weddings, rendezvous, even corporate events, diba? So, may pailan-ilan na kiddie party and same couple that we coordinated ng wedding nila, sila din nga, yung mga customers namin for kiddie party. So, minsan nga, nag-debut. After that, nag-7th birthday or nag-1 year old. So, yun talaga yung cycle. Diba? So, nakikita mo na talaga dito sa events industry, may opportunity always. Nasal mo, coordinate mo kasal, nagkaroon ng daughter, nag-debut, and then may anak pa, may apo pa, parang ganun siya. Diba? Yung cycle nandun talaga. So, lagi-lagi talagang blissful ang ating business. So, I noticed that may ibang market talaga ang kiddie party. Aside from debut, mas masaya nga eh. Mas magaan ang discussion. And talagang pag kiddie party ang pinag-usapan, walang yeme ang mga parents. Book agad. All out talaga ang mga momshies and daddies. Tama ba ako? I am very, very excited. Of course, I've been always excited naman na mag-come up tayo ng kiddie party packages. As a matter of fact, I have mga coordination na I've been reaching out with suppliers na rin. Like invitation with website, free websites, live animal exhibits, the styling, high-end, mid-end, and of course, videographer, catering. Ayan. So, yeah, kami, super excited po kami pagdating sa ating bagong launch ng kiddie party packages. We really look forward to offering to our previous couple na may soon to have babies or yung may mga naging may mga naunang mga anak na hindi alam na kami ay mga coordinators ng kiddie party. So, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Hello, we're here. We're also available for your children's kiddie party. 1 year old, 3 years old, 7 years old. Ayan. So, hanggat kaya ninyong celebrate with us, hanggat gusto ninyo na happy always ang inyong kiddie party, we're here to assist you from inception to reception. So, ayan. So, looking forward kami, guys, sa mga clients natin, former clients ng Events Republic, and yung mga talagang hindi pa nakikilala sa Events Republic. FYI, we already have our kiddie party packages. So I'll see you in our event store, so I'll see you at our bridal fairs, and I'll see you online and face-to-face. So that's it. So I'll see you. Don't forget to like my channel, like and share our page na magkaroon kayo ng ideas of kung ano-ano pa mga offerings ng Events Republic. So till our next video. Bye!